welcome to another video. And today I'm gonna show you this wela volcano set from Pokemon Sun and Moon. So as you can see, there's 4 characters, and there's Growlithe. This is Growlithe right here. Growlithe's pretty cool and detailed. Growlithe. And over here is Litten. Litten's ready to use a fire thing. As you can see, the heating up. And then the next one is Pikachu with Electro Ball. It's using Electro Ball in them. And then we have a Lola Diglett. So pretty detailed. Look at these figures. I made them by myself. Of course we have to have Pikachu. Move. And yeah, that's all I want to show you. And this is a little volcano. Lots of movements, like this can go up and down. And this can go down. And then, this is what Diglett was. Pikachu climbs up that, uses the Electro Ball, and then the mounts a beast over there. And yeah, this is a little volcano. Bye.